Hey, guys, I wanted to answer some questions that people ask me on a regular basis, especially after either I post a video or post pictures, right? And as you know, I'm in my truck driving and either heading to a job, giving out an estimate, or just trying to get some supplies. Well, people ask me, have been asking me lately, Sydney, I see you just did a new bathroom, or just did a new kitchen, and they look wonderful, but how expensive is it to get that done? And one of the things I try to explain to everyone when it comes down to kitchens and bathrooms is that every kitchen, every bathroom is different. There's no kitchen or bathroom that's the same. And you have to remember that when you are designing a kitchen and when you are designing a bathroom, you are designing it with your own personal touch. But at the same time, like, we have a stager and we have a decorator on staff. So majority of the times, a high percentage of the time when we're designing these kitchens and these bathrooms, we design them with our designer stager to make sure that you're actually working with a designer stager, as you know, through the consultation and participation to get it done exactly. So each kitchen and bathroom, they say, well, don't you have a minimum and don't you have a maximum? And we say, yes, we do have a minimum for kitchens, we do have a minimum for bathrooms, but there's no maximum, right? There's no maximum because it can go up to whatever depending on the size. So you really want to try to make sure that before you can actually get a price of a bathroom or a kitchen, because numbers can scare you, right? Numbers can really put you in fear. You could say that you can get a kitchen done for, say, and I'm just throwing this number out there, say if someone says, well, the minimum we do kitchens is $22,000. And you'll say to yourself, wow, okay, I don't know if that's high, that's low, but what does that entail? Well, that's something that you have to get from the contractor who gives you the pricing. But one of the things you got to understand when it comes down to pricing bathrooms and kitchens, it is going to always be based on the type of need and design that you are looking for. And that's going to be the important thing, is the need and the design that you're looking for, because again, all kitchens and bathrooms are different. Some people want a $500 tub. Some people want a $2,000 tub. Some people want a $150 tub, right? Some people want a vanity. Some people want a sink. Some people want a pedestal. Some people want a sink that doesn't have anything that's attached to the wall. Some people want all different things. It's all different things. So now, one of the things I can tell you when you're designing a bathroom and kitchen, which is very important, is for you and the contractor to always discuss how much money are you allowed to spend in the bathroom. How much money are you allowed to spend in the kitchen based on the budget that you guys have agreed on? And understand how that works. Definitely got to understand how that works, because if you're designing a bathroom for, say, $9,000 and you spend $3,500 on fixtures, then that means that the contractor didn't price the job properly, and there's going to be a problem. So the contractor needs to let you know, based on what the design is, hey, this is what we're going to, your budget is, and this is what is allowed to spend. You say, hey, listen, you can't tell me what to spend on my bathroom. Well, no, I'm not telling you what to spend on your bathroom, but we're pricing you based on this. So anything that you need that's going to be additional, anything you need that's going to be elaborate, there's a couple of ways to go about it, right? One of the ways to go about it is to say, hey, listen, you can purchase all these things yourself, and in the midst of designing the bathroom, it can be put in there. But based on the price we gave you, these are the items that you have. These are the items that we are putting in based on what the price is. So you always just want to make sure you get all the details together, and make sure you have your drawings, and make sure you have all these specifics together, because once you start remodeling, cutting out templates and things of that nature, it's done. It's hard to really, because things are going to now start to get fabricated, and the fee for doing something over again can be pretty extensive, especially when you've already budgeted for a certain thing, right? So please be aware that when it comes down to bathrooms and kitchens, that you have to make sure that everything is going to be designed based on what you want. Okay, and that's what I want to make sure that you all understand. So for all those who ask me, all the time, City, are bathrooms and kitchens expensive? Anything can be expensive based on what you need and what you want. But I tell you what, if you are looking to remodel or redesign your kitchen and your bathroom, and you want to expand it, you want to widen it, you want to recolor it, you want to redecorate it, you want to put it in a different room, you want to move it, whatever, give us a call, 201-618-8639, or visit us at www.louhaul.com. And we'll come by, and we'll also too have our consultant come by and sit with you and help you to design your kitchen and, you know, put it in the position that you would like, right? Because it's all about how comfortable you are with it, okay? So that's 201-618-8639, and allow us to come sit down with you and help you put together a beautiful kitchen, a beautiful bathroom, or any other room in your house, exactly, right? We can take care of that. Okay, thank you.